Welcome to this 5-minute guided gratitude meditation. To begin this meditation, find somewhere comfortable to sit down or lay down and gently close your eyes and bring your palms facing upwards onto your lap right now. Now as you take a deep inhale and then hold your breath and then slow exhale, allow the feeling of gratitude to gently enter your life, enter your body, enter your energy field right now. Now continue to breathe deeply, taking another deep inhale, fully expanding your stomach area. Hold the breath and slow exhale. Now as you continue to breathe deeply and fully at your own pace, allow your mind to begin to feel grateful for all the little and large things in your life. You may start by being grateful for being able to breathe, for your body, for your mind, for taking this time out to heal and perform this gratitude. For the people in your life, for the circumstances that have allowed you to grow to who you are today. Allow your mind, allow your body, allow your feelings to feel the gratitude for anything and everything that you want. And as you feel this gratitude, make sure to say in your head by starting with, I am so grateful for, and then whatever you are grateful for. And as you say these things in your mind, every piece of gratitude that you have, allow yourself to feel the feelings of this gratitude. Feel what it feels like to be grateful for this and amplify this gratitude as you continue this practice right now. Keep going, keep thinking of everything you are grateful for, and if it comes to a point where you can't think of many more things, feel the gratitude for just being here and breathing here and having this opportunity to live the life you are living. Feel the gratitude for yourself. Feel the gratitude for everything to come in your life. Feel the gratitude for this meditation. Feel the gratitude for your family, your friends, your loved ones. Feel the gratitude for everything in your life being in your life for a divine reason. Feel the gratitude for knowing that you are having an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing month, an amazing year, an amazing lifetime. And take a deep inhale. Hold your breath. And slow and gentle exhale. Now take another deep inhale and imagine amazing white light flushing into your body. Hold the breath and allow this white light to be absorbed by every single cell in your body, be absorbed by your whole energy field, this gratitude, this love, and slowly exhale right now. Now when you're ready, you can gently open up your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face, feeling the gratitude fill you up and allow you to continue your day in the most amazing way right now.